Hello friends, welcome to Tech and Light. In this channel, we are going to learn about education, technology and latest job related information. And as a part of education, we have started a course of web development for the beginners. Okay, as a part of that, we have started HTML for the beginners in the previous class, and we have already learned what are the basic requirements for designing a web page in HTML. Okay, now we are going to learn about HTML today. Okay, here if we see, HTML is invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. He has also invented www, which is called World Wide Web. Okay, Tim Berners-Lee has invented www and this HTML also. Okay, and it is a standard markup language for web pages, which is used to design web pages and websites. And we need web browser to read the content which is in HTML page. And coming to the full form of HTML, it is Hypertext Markup Language, which describes the structure of a web page. Okay, and HTML consists of series of elements. These elements tell the browser how to display the document, and each and every element is represented by tag. Then what is a tag? A tag is enclosed in angular brackets. See here, angular brackets which is enclosed in. This is the preferred structure also. But in the old versions we have to follow this structure, and this is the preferred structure also. Okay. Now we have written all 6 headings here, and then save it and come to the browser and refresh. See, here we got all 6 types of headings. H1 is a bigger one, H2 is less than that H1, and then H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the headings in HTML. These are the headings in HTML. Okay, we have learned about headings and title tags in HTML today. Okay, in the next class we will come up with few more tags in HTML. In the next class we will come up with few more tags in HTML. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind. Then HTML. Okay, with this the browser will come to know that this is an HTML page. Okay. Then a HTML program will always start with tag HTML and again ends with HTML tag. This is the basic structure of HTML program. Okay, and in this HTML program, the first section will be head. Okay, in this head, open the head tag and then close the head tag. Then below that we will have body. Everything that we want to display in web page we will write in body itself. Then coming to head section, if we want to give any title to our web page, that will be put in this head section. The rest of the things will be written in body tag. See here we are putting some title. We will write title tag here, title, and something like Government of India, and close the title. See here, from here to here, this is the title. So we will define only title in the head, section. Then coming to the important part, the saving of HTML document is very important. Let us focus on this. Now click on File, then click on Save As. Here we have to select all files in Save As type. Then in file name, we have to type the file name .htm or HTML. In normal files, we will not mention the extension, but while saving an HTML file, we have to mention HTML or HTML for sure. Otherwise, it will save as a normal notepad file. Okay. Top. Now we are saving it on our desktop. Now let us save this on our desktop. Let us see where is this. Here. ABC is our file name, HTML file name. Here in my system Google Chrome is installed, so it is showing as Google Chrome symbol. If in your system Google Chrome is not there, then Internet Explorer symbol will be there displayed for this file. See, now if we double click, then it will get opened in the web browser. See here, we have given a title like Government of India, which is displaying here. Now if we want to type complete government instead of GOVT, then type this and type it here, save, minimize this and come to the browser and refresh. See here, the title got changed to Government of India. Previously it was GOVT of India. Now it got changed to Government of India. Now come to the notepad again and let us see the rest of the parts of web page. Now we are going to learn about, first we will learn about headings. In HTML we have 6 types of headings which are called as H1, H2, H3, so on up to H6. Okay. For H1 the font size will be bigger and the content will be bold like that, and for H2 the font size will be decreased slightly, and for H3 decreased more, and H4 like that, which means H1 is the highest, H1 is the main heading, and then H2 followed by H3, H4, H6 like that. Okay. And if you see in the title tag, we have mentioned it in header section, but in latest versions of HTML, if we mention title in, we will not get any error. It will display. But in the old versions, we have to follow this structure, and this is the preferred structure also. Okay. Now we have written all 6 headings here, and then save it and come to the browser and refresh. See, here we got all 6 types of headings. H1 is a bigger one, H2 is less than that H1, and then H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the headings in HTML. Okay, we have learned about headings and title tags in HTML today. Okay, in the next class we will come up with few more tags in HTML. In the next class we will come up with few more tags in HTML. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind.